Good morning, everybody. Jason, SilverStar Bike Park. It's the first week of July. Bike park's been open for a little bit. Everything's bedded in, getting really fast. This past week, you would have noticed that Lower World Cup opened up, Lower Shazam even opened up. And Claudius opened up this past week to jump at the bottom when you come into the connector. This week, a couple things going on. It's BC Cup, Canada Cup race weekend coming up, so you'll see we're working on Dags. We're putting in this section of trail right at the end here. The trail will be closed on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. You'll see it flagged off for the racers, but still open to the public on Friday. There's also going to be a new section of Dags right in the middle. Otherwise, Jedi Mind Trick is being worked on. You'll see the machine working there this week. I won't make any promises, but keep your eyes open. It will be opening in the near future. All fresh from the top down to the T-bar line. Otherwise, bike park's running really well right now. It is a warm, sunny, beautiful weather up here, and the trails are running great. Get up here, have some fun.